Hello, I'm LOOKMUU and welcome back to the HUBient channel. So today, sadly, I'm not here to talk about food, I'm not here to tell you about places to visit, but I'm here to share you my new shoes. I haven't opened it and I want to open it with all of you guys. So I've got these shoes from Culture King. So this is the shoes. Look at the bag. It's so premium. I love it. So this is it. Let's get it out of the box actually. This is the back of the box. So all the labels are there. So this is a size 7. Nike Air Force 107 XL, but this is the Lucky Charm editions. I've got a white one, so this is what it looks like. Ooh. The smell of new shoes. Oh my god. Okay, so let's pull it out. This out. Oh, it's so pretty. I like it. It's so pretty. Yes, that's how I like it. Okay, second one. Ooh. Let's take it out of the box, shall we? So this is the shoes. So I got a white one, white and gold. There is a black and white and gold. Gold is just the charm and then the writing. I got an all white. I think it looks much cuter. It looks cuter. The lace is very soft. It's the feel of the lace is different to like normal laces. I don't know why. Maybe it's just because it's new. Anyway, there is 2 different styles and 2 different colors. So there's a black and white, and then there is the all white, which is this one. I got this one at $179.95 at Culture King. You can also purchase this also at JD Sports for I think $180, and then you also can get this at the Nike Air. The Nike website as well, so I will put all the links down below for you to go have a look. I think it's worldwide. Now this is latest drop, the latest drop. It's so pretty, it's so cute. I like it. So anyway, I will show you my other collection as well. So this will be my other collection to add to. Stay tuned because there is another collection getting dropped on the 3rd of December. It's been collabed with a K-pop star, GD, GD, which is Dragons from Big Bang. He's my favorite artist. So just stay tuned. I will put a link down below as well, an article to the new one that is coming out as well. At the moment, I think it's going for 190 or 290. I can't remember. But anyway, here it is. I love it. Comment down below if you want to see me wearing these. I can post it on my social media. So Don't forget to follow LOOKMUU on Instagram as well as Facebook, and I will have the link down below to follow me. So anyway, this is all I have for you guys tonight. I'm so sorry if there's nothing about food tonight or places to visit, but I just want to share with you guys what I've been obsessed with for the last few months is shoes. Anyway, so that's it from LOOKMUU. This is HUBient channel. Don't forget to follow, subscribe, ring the notification for all our contents once we get uploaded, and you guys get notification. So bye bye for now.